To fix the error that occurs when selecting a partition for installation in Windows 11, start by backing up all the data on your disk, as the solution involves cleaning the disk and erasing everything on it. Once you've backed up your data, exit the installation process by clicking the X button at the top right and then confirm that you want to quit. After restarting your computer, boot from your USB drive again and proceed to the Windows 11 setup, where you'll be prompted to select language settings. From this screen, press the Shift plus F10 keys on your keyboard to open the command prompt window, which may be hidden behind the setup window. If it's not visible, use the Alt plus Tab keys to bring it to the front. In the command prompt window, type disk part and ignore the information that appears. Then, type list disk to view the available disks. Select the disk you want to focus on, typically the largest one, which is often disk 0. Type select disk 0 inches to choose the correct disk, and then type clean to erase all data on the disk. After a few seconds, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the disk has been successfully cleaned. You can now close the command prompt window and continue with the installation process. Select your language settings and proceed with the installation. When you reach the point where you previously encountered the error, you should find that it is no longer present, and you can successfully install Windows 11.